The aims and goals of Interoute are really quite simple. We want to enable people to take their ideas, transform their infrastructure, fix how they're doing things today, and take it to the next level, and do it in the most efficient and economic way that you can. Interoute is Europe's largest infrastructure provider. We do everything, as we say, from the ground to the cloud, and it's about enabling people to realize an ambition very, very quickly and scale that ambition globally as far as it will take them. One of the fascinating things about the panel is we discussed a whole host of issues. You have folks like ourselves, we had the guys from Google talking about how we're enabling people to do some very interesting things. And that went from everything from distributed satellites and how that's revolutionizing the economy of space to the skills required in terms of the preservation of how you think about your build services really becomes less important than the ability to acquire and consume those services. So the issues were ranging, and I think the great thing we get out of these kind of events is the diverse set of opinions, and that diverse set of opinions will set people up to really kind of tweak the way they think about it. So over and above just listening to the ideas and meeting people, we're in the networking lounge, and we're trying to really illustrate to people how you can kind of race the speed of light. But it kind of highlights that here you're racing a car around a track and you're racing files that are going global. It's a kind of light-hearted expression of the scale and breadth of the things that we're talking about, but it also kind of gives people the ability to understand the sorts of things that are going on in the industry and Interoute. What we hope to get out of the day is listening to the diversity of opinions, diversity of perspectives that really sort of drive how we think about the future. At Interoute, our philosophy really is we want to help people realize their ambitions, and we want people to kind of fix problems and transform the way in which they think about their digital infrastructure. From the guys who've got a great new idea, from the IT manager who inherited data centers all over the world, to the next big global brand of content player. Interoute is able to realize those ambitions and to do it without missing a step.